Here's World Capital Management's 1-minute market and economic report for May 23, 2023. U.S. stocks opened lower following debt ceiling talks between President Joe Biden and House Republican Speaker Kevin McCarthy without reaching a deal. The S&P 500 fell 0.46%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.48%, and the Nasdaq Composite declined 0.5%. Yields on Treasuries moved higher, with the 10-year yield rising to 3.74%, amid concerns over the debt ceiling standoff and the prospect of a default. Biden and McCarthy described their meeting as productive but acknowledged that a deal has not been reached yet. Investors are anxious as the June 1st ex-date approaches, which is when a default is likely to occur if the debt ceiling is not raised. S&P Global's flash readings on U.S. manufacturing came in lower than expected, while services showed improvement. New single-family home sales rose in April. Yelp shares rallied over 10% as an activist investor called for strategic alternatives, including a sale. Lowe's Companies lowered its full-year sales forecast due to lower demand affected by high inflation. Dick's Sporting Goods reported strong first fiscal quarter sales and earnings, maintaining its outlook for the year. Zoom Video Communications shares dropped despite beating expectations for its fiscal first quarter and raising its full-year guidance. Pfizer shares slid after a study showed positive weight loss results for its oral diabetes treatment. BJ's Wholesale Club Holdings shares declined after the retailer reported revenue below analysts' expectations. Palo Alto Networks, Intuit, and Toll Brothers are expected to report results after the closing bell. World Capital Management is a leading high-growth money manager with an annual investment objective of over 300% return of the Nasdaq 100 stock index and with only half the volatility. Please contact us for our report describing our investment strategy.